Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up bubble email notifications with SendGrid step by step clearly. Start by logging into your bubble.io account. Navigate to the editor of your application. Click on the Plugins tab in the left sidebar. In the plugin marketplace, search for the SendGrid plugin. Select the SendGrid plugin from the results and click Install. Once installed, go to your SendGrid account or create a new one if you. In your SendGrid dashboard, locate the API Keys option under the Settings menu. Create a new API key by clicking on Create API Key. Label your API key for easy identification and assign necessary. Once created, make sure to copy the API key as you will need it shortly. Return to your Bubble editor and navigate back to the Plugins tab. Click on the SendGrid plugin settings. Paste your SendGrid API key into the provided field. Now, navigate to the Workflows tab in the Bubble editor. Select or create a workflow where you want to trigger email notifications. Add a new action by clicking on Click here to add an action. Search for the Send Email with SendGrid action and select it. In the Configuration panel, fill in the recipient's email address. Customize the subject line for your email notification. Compose the body of the email, using dynamic data if necessary. Ensure that the email sender's address is valid and associated with your SendGrid account. Save your workflow settings. To test the email notification, preview your application. Trigger the workflow you configured and check the recipient's inbox. Verify that the email has been received and appears as expected. If you experience any issues, double-check your API key and email settings in both Bubble and SendGrid. Congratulations, you have successfully set up email notifications in Bubble using SendGrid. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.